Yes.
So we have a lot of database. So we have a lot of the databases over there. So we just look for, I think we look for one which is on the Indian startup ecosystem. So so it explains the data. So we can see funding series. So all I'm interested in is the funding series. So this is an example. I wanted to load. So let me see if I can try that again. What I wanted is to load it directly into the Excel. So let me see if I want to download, it will give me the link. And let me copy that particular link. This CSV link. Let me see if I can import that link into my Excel. I wanted to demonstrate the idea of where you can load the data set from online and then process it. So this link is what I'm interested in. Let me see if I can copy the link. Okay, copy download. So I'll go back to my Excel and I'll go to get data from the web. So I'll paste that link over there. Now I'll say okay. So let's connect. Oh no. It's wrong. Okay. So you can see it. My students there. So here, you can decide.
Yes.
So here you can decide to even transform. You see, when you go to just like Power BI, when you're about loading the data, it asks you where do you want to transform the data first. Maybe you don't like the way that the data set is, right? So you can decide to even transform it straightforward before even loading into Excel. Okay. So for me, I don't want to transform anything since we are just demoing something. So I'll just go to load straight.